Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel Edmond Mendaros, and for today's quick tutorial and I'm going to show you guys on how to enable press and hold right click tablet pen settings on Acer Pen 3 laptop. And without further ado, and let's go ahead. So all you have to do is to open up on a search menu. And dito sa search for apps, so kailangan mo lang i-type dito yung control panel. And then i-click mo lang dito yung open. Okay, so ang next step dito lang sa upper right side ay kailangan mo lang i-click yung arrow na yan. And then select mo lang dito yung category. So click mo lang yan. And dito sa category settings, ang next step ay kailangan mo lang i-select dito yung hardware and sound. So click mo lang yan. And dito sa hardware and sound, so ang next step ay kailangan mo lang i-select dito yung pin and touch, okay? So makikita mo dito, and under dito ay kailangan mo lang i-select yung change tablet pen settings. So i-click mo lang yan. So pop up itong pin and touch, alright? So ang next step, so select mo lang dito yung pen options. And then dito sa gitna ay makikita mo dito yung pin actions. So may tatlong option dito. And then next step, kailangan mo lang i-select dito yung press and hold. Right click yung kanyang equivalent, yung mouse actions. So i-click mo lang yan. And next step ay makikita mo dito yung settings. So click mo lang yan. And then pop up itong press and hold settings. So kung paano ba natin enable yung press and hold for right clicking, so makikita mo dito yung box na yan. So click mo lang yan. And automatic mga kaibigan, pwede mo na itong i-modify. Alright, so dito sa kanyang speed, so pwede mo itong i-adjust yung kanyang speed. And then dito sa duration naman, so nandito yung pwede mo rin itong i-adjust to short and to long. And then pwede mo naman itong i-test yung settings niya. Okay, so once na click mo na tong box na enable press and hold for right clicking, and then click mo lang dito yung okay. Alright, and then click mo lang dito yung apply, and then click mo lang dito yung okay. Okay, so ganun lang po kasimple on how to enable press and hold right click tablet pen on Acer Pen 3 laptop. And please don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel for more quality content. Thank you guys, and see you in my next tutorial.